Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, please just take a look at this. In my previous video, I showed you a software that you can install on your computer to download any Udemy course into your PC. I showed you this Udeler app and I walked you through showing you a video of how I successfully downloaded a Udemy course and it was successful. But a lot of you showed me in the comment section of how unsuccessful this process was. That made me go deep into making some further research where I found out that indeed the Udeler app no longer works. This is not as a result of the failure of the software as it were, but Udemy has applied encryption to virtually all its courses, making it difficult for you to do any form of download. The encryption is so solid such that these softwares are unable to decrypt the encryption on it, so it will be easy to download the videos. So that is why it did not work. Please stick. I'm walking you through a process, okay? I need to let you know exactly what happened to that video. But in this video, in this particular video, I'm going to be telling you what actually works in terms of downloading Udemy courses. So I'm going to be walking you step by step on the method available on the internet. This is the only way that works currently. Of course, a lot of persons have these courses already in their account. You want to download it into your computer so that you can access it offline. That is the end goal. And in this video, I'm going to be walking you exactly how you can do that. Okay, that is going to be my goal in this particular video. Could you even imagine how, in fact, I've uploaded another video on YouTube to prove my point that the Udeler actually worked. What actually happened was, what I used, the videos I downloaded are not encrypted. They are virtually free courses. I think the Udeler downloader can work for some courses. It's mostly free courses on the Udemy platform, which probably are not encrypted. But most paid courses, or virtually all paid courses, are encrypted, and the Udeler software is unable to bypass the encryption. So that is it. In fact, I premiered that particular, the next video I made, which is to come up, but a shout out to you, okay? A shout out to you for pointing this out, for making me realize that I have to go back to the drawing board and do this test again and to show that it really doesn't work. So thank you so much. I hope to see you more in my videos. I'm going to be sharing with you free available methods to download the Udemy courses into your computer so that you can watch online. One of them is actually on your phone. I'm going to be showing you one method you can use to download it on your phone. Okay, now this is quite easy. All you need to do in this case, all right, to download this is you have to go to your phone. Now on your phone, you click on the Udemy application on your phone. This is going to work for whatever course you have in your Udemy account. Now from your phone, all right, when it loads up, you go to the particular course of your interest. All right, now on the particular course, you click on the one of your choice. Now you can download. You can see the arrow pointing down to the right of your screen. That signifies a download button. Now this is an option that is available on Udemy. Udemy actually provided this option for us to use, so we'll be able to download. You can download all of the videos, then watch offline. Whether you have internet or not, you also have access to watch whatever course or video you want to watch in your Udemy account and with the Udemy app. This is right now. Here is the instruction, or this is what it is like on the Udemy platform, how to download lectures to your computer, what is enabled. Now on the Udemy website, each course have the option to actually enable download. But a lot of these teachers have maxed that option out. The reason is they for copyright reasons, because a lot of persons will download these courses and use and sell them or place on websites where they can download them. Okay, of course they've made so much investment in it, and that is not exactly what they want to experience. Just imagine you put in a lot of hours, years in making a particular course. Then someone else is going to download that course and use on any website or provide on any website for people to download, which is not really suitable. So it is grayed out. The option to download videos in most courses too, you can see there, it is actually grayed out. It is grayed out. And you might ask, what exactly is available? You have to use a VPN. You have to turn on your VPN. It is not compulsory for you to put on your VPN, but you have to turn on your VPN. Then you first of all you need to download uTorrent into your device. If you have it, beautiful. If you don't have it, then you need to download it into your computer. You download it. The step is quite easy, all right, to do. And you click and you've installed it into your computer. When you install the uTorrent into your computer, like I suggested, you use a VPN, and ZenMate is the option I use. There are several options on Google Chrome. If that is the browser you use, get it installed. Then the next thing you need to do is go on Google and you type the particular course, put a space and type Udemy. All right. When you say Udemy, for instance, you want to learn Python, then you're going to see different websites come up. I'm going to put this particular link in the description. You click on it, then it's going to provide you a link or several links to different websites that provide this particular course for you to download from. All right, this works. This is just what is available at the moment. This is what we are going to be using. Okay, now you can see the number of persons who have viewed that particular link. You click visit, it takes you to the website. Now on the website, when you're on the website, just follow this process step by step, because as you follow it, you are not going to miss your way. Okay, just follow it. You click on it, visit. Okay, I don't have to accept that. I don't want prompt showing up on my screen. All right, this is a description of this particular course that I've chosen to download. Okay, you scroll all the way down, This is just a description of the course. Then you see it's download torrent. When you click on the download torrent, you can see the file size for this particular course is quite large, 26 gigabytes. Okay, you click on the download button. When you click on the download button, it's going to download the torrent file into your system. Okay, that torrent file is exactly what is going to download the course. Okay, if you don't understand how to use BitTorrent, it is quite easy. As far as you have installed BitTorrent in your system, all you need to do is double click on it. When you double click on it, it is going to load up in the BitTorrent web or the uTorrent web. When it loads up in the uTorrent web, okay, you can see all the fragments of the courses loading up. All right, all the fragments of the courses are loading up. You click on add. All right, when you click on add, yes, click on add. Yes, you can see it's going to pull up the course from that particular website, and you can see it is already downloading. So this is exactly what is available to us. I'm also going to show you another option or another website that you can use. All right, on this particular website, what you can do is it's quite simple and direct. All right, now it is important that we pay for courses that, of course, we want to take. The method I'm going to share with you here is going to walk you through what exactly you're going to do to get this right into your PC. Okay, it might require you installing some, BitTorrent and all of that. Now, it is expected that you do this if you already have the software the course in your account. But if you don't, just pay for it. They are quite cheap courses. All right, so let's dive right in. This method I'm going to share with you works in any way. All you need is you need some internet connection. If you have internet connection, then this is going to work easy peasy for you. All right, so the first thing you need to do, you go to Google. All right, and on Google, you just type in uTorrent. All right, uTorrent download. If you already have this downloaded in your system, just stay in a second. We'll get this installed. For those who don't have it installed on their computer, you go on the first link. All right, then you hit free download. It is a free software. Okay, you download it. That is it. You drop it anywhere you want to drop it. Now, I have already downloaded this. You drop it, then you install it. It's just a one-way install. You click and you've installed it into your computer. Then after doing that, you have to run the uTorrent software in your computer. Of course, it's going to show somewhere around here. You click on it. Yes, it's going to come up. When it comes up on your computer, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. You need to download this course into your account. Now, in the search bar, you're going to see stream torrents while you download. Okay, there's going to be a search feature. It can be anywhere depending on when you are seeing this video. Okay, you click on it, then just type 1337X and hit the search bar. All right, when you do that, it's going to bring a search feature from Google, and click on the first link that you see. Okay, now when you see this, you have other options. It's possible the link that you click on is not accessible at the moment. They provide other options here. You can click on this, or this. So I'm going to click on this one. Okay, that will take me to the main site. There are lots of ads running on the page, so apologies if it begins to, you see things dropping around the screen. All right, so on the search bar, okay, that's one already. Quickly going to close that. On the search bar, you type Udemy and press enter. These are a whole lot of courses here for you. Okay, to make this search maybe a little streamlined, you could just put Udemy or a lot of ads. Okay, Udemy, a space. What course do you want to learn? Python, or what course do you have in your account that you want to download? Python. You click on it, and you're going to see options here. You can see them, a lot of them here. You can see them with their size. All you need to do is you click on any one you want to download. Okay, let me just walk you through any of them. Okay, let me click on this very first one. Okay, another ad. Okay, now you click download. Is it that you do torrent download or magnet download? Magnet download will just clip it so that it pops up on the torrent profile. Okay, another ads. Okay, you see when you click on this magnet download, since you have already installed the uTorrent web, this is going to come up. You can do this, always allow. Now it is advisable, to use a VPN, okay, because a lot of these sites could have some, things going behind it. When you use a VPN, it marks your location and protects you. Okay, a VPN that I use and is completely free is a Chrome extension. As you can see, ZenMate is completely free. All right, I think I need this, so I've turned that on. You can even do this at the very beginning of the process. Install this extension, and all right, you can be rest assured, at least to a degree, that your job or your work on the web is secured. All right, I'm going to open this. Open. Okay, let's see if it's going to download. You can do this for any course of your choice. This particular site has a lot of courses. Now, this is not the only website, okay? There are other websites, but this is a method that you can fall back on to get the course you have been trying to get. These are courses that probably are already in your account. So that's my suggestion. If you think you get value from this, you can hit the subscribe button. Let's see if we have this up. Okay, you can see it is already here. You can add it. These are the courses. It is about 2 gig. It's a zip file. As soon as I hit add, you can see it's already downloading. Okay, you can see based on your internet speed, it will determine how much or how fast this is going to be. You can see it's already downloading 2 gig, and by the time this is done, you're done with this. Now I already have courses in my account on Python. I don't really need to download this. All right, have a nice day. Bye.